How do you join, manage, and start using the CubiCasa Marketplace? Open the CubiCasa web portal and navigate to the Company tab. Under Photographer Profile, tap Join the Program. Choose your tier and fill out your full marketplace profile, including company name, logo and banner image, service description, services you offer, pricing and turnaround time, service area and volume estimation, website or booking link. Then submit the application. Our team will review your submission and follow up with approval details and information about your benefits. To update your profile, go to the company dashboard and select Edit Profile. Here, you can make any necessary changes to your profile. Some sections, such as scan locations and recent examples, update automatically and refresh every time you complete a scan. When you're done, click Save. Your updated profile goes live immediately. Edit your photographer profile today.